Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Arts Distributor channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning natural Christmas wreath with red accents, cotton, artificial berries, ribbons and pine cones. For this project you'll need a wreath base, branches from fir, pine or juniper trees, red balls, cotton to create a snowy effect, artificial berries for additional decoration, ribbon for a bow and hanging the wreath, pine cones to add a natural texture. Step number 1. Let's start with the base. Wrap it with pine, creating a adhesive coverage. This will give our wreath volume and a green base. Then add pine cones to give the wreath natural charm and texture. Step number 3. Add some cotton to make a snow effect. Step number 4. Add splashes of color with bright red Christmas balls. Don't forget to embellish the wreath with artificial berries, adding bright red and green accents. To finish it off, add a wonderful Christmas ribbon to hang the wreath on the wall or on your door. And voila! Your natural wreath is ready to adorn your home for the holidays. Don't forget to hand the ribbon for display and enjoy this beautiful handmade piece. I hope you've enjoyed this wreath making process. Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas. See you, bye bye!